Hello everyone, Diwali is right around the corner, and if you're still thinking of what to make for the sweets, then you are at the right place. Today I'm going to share with you this really delicious and very easy recipe of this sweet which looks very expensive, but at the same time it's very easy to make and very inexpensive way. And this one just melts in your mouth, and there is no cooking or baking required. So, isn't that simple? And I'm also going to share with you a special way to serve this in a gift box. Great recipes start here in my kitchen. Welcome to Sanam's kitchen. For the future uploads, please don't forget to press the bell icon. So, let's prepare the stuffing first. For that, I'm going to take my blending jar and add cashews and then desiccated coconut or coconut powder if you have, and then milk powder, and also 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more or less according to your preference. So I'm just going to blend all this in this mixie jar. This is a really helpful gadget in my kitchen, and I have added a link in the description box. So here our powder is ready. It is very fine, and it is very smooth. So let's keep this aside. So I'm just going to take it in a bowl and keep this aside. Now let's prepare the outer layer for the sweet. So in a bowl I'm going to take 1.5 cup of desiccated coconut, and then milk powder, which is about a half cup of milk powder, and about a half cup or less than a half cup of sugar. And for the flavor I'm adding cardamom powder, which is Elaichi powder, about 1 teaspoon. And you can add many flavors as you like. You can add pistachio powder or rose powder, depending on what flavors you want to make. So I'm going to blend this into a fine powder. So fine powder is ready, and now let's prepare the dough out of this. This is very simple, no cooking or baking is required. So here I am taking in a bigger bowl so that it's easier to mix. Now here I have a cooled milk that is at the room temperature, but first I have boiled it and then let it cool completely. So I'm going to add that milk. I have added about 2 tablespoons now, and then keep mixing it. We don't want to add a lot at once. So for the dough it only took me like 4 tablespoons of milk. So our dough is ready. It's nice and soft. So I'm going to keep that aside. Now the one that we prepared with the cashews in it, I'm going to take that and I'm going to add a food color. So I have a Elaichi flavor. I'm going to add yellow food color, but if you have a pistachio flavor, you can add a green food color, and then red for the rose flavor. So it can be made in different flavors. So our stuffing is ready, and now I'm going to make the sweet. So for the stuffing I'm going to take small portion and make a round balls, just like so. So I prepared all the balls out of it. Now I'm going to take the dough and then spread it like this, and in the center I'm going to place the ball and then wrap it gently like this. Now you can shape it any way you want. I'm going to shape it like a peda like this, or you can shape it into a roll like this. So all you have to do is shape the stuffing like this and then gently roll like this, and shape it into a roll like this. Isn't that simple? And it takes only 5 minutes to prepare this sweet. It is so simple. Now to decorate, I'm going to add edible silver foil. I have added the link in the description box where you can buy this. So just like this, it is very delicate, so I have to work very carefully. And then garnish with some pistachios on top. It looks fabulous, isn't it? Now to serve this, I have a trick. I took this cupcake liners and then I turned them upside down. They are available in many colors, and I chose the gold for the festive feeling. So, and you can serve them like this, and then you can put it in the box, and it's great for gifting. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel if you're new to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you next time with another simple recipe. Till then, happy Diwali and happy New Year in advance. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.